Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll explore the fascinating world of Agile development and its related methodologies. We'll take an in-depth look at each process, compare it with plan-driven development, and discuss real-world examples that show how these approaches are applied. Let's jump right in. Agile development emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and iterative progress over rigid planning. It's perfect for dynamic projects where requirements often evolve. Agile is built on the principles of delivering value early and continuously improving through feedback loops. A real-world example is a startup creating a social media app might use Agile to release a minimum value product, MVP, quickly, then iterate based on user feedback to add features like live streaming or augmented reality filters. Plan-driven development, like Waterfall, thrives in environments with fixed requirements. On the other hand, Agile is designed for projects with evolving needs. Some key differences: in plan-driven, rigid and sequential, best for systems with high reliability needs like aerospace software. Agile is iterative and flexible, which is ideal for fast-paced industries like mobile app development. A real-world contrast is developing a spacecraft navigation system may use plan-driven methods for precision, and an e-commerce platform where features constantly adapt to user preferences will benefit from using Agile. Extreme programming is an Agile framework that focuses on delivering high-quality software through frequent releases, teamwork, and robust engineering practices. Some of those key practices are pair programming, continuous integration, and test-driven development. A real-world example is a fintech company might use extreme programming to develop a payment processing system. Short release cycles ensure feedback is incorporated quickly, while rigorous testing prevents security breaches. The Scrum Sprint Cycle organizes work into time-boxed sprints, typically lasting 2 to 4 weeks. Each sprint delivers a potential shippable product in increment. How it works: sprint planning is used to define goals, daily stand-ups ensure team alignment, the sprint review demonstrate completed work, and the sprint retrospective identify improvements for the next sprint. A real-world example is a gaming studio might use Scrum to release levels or features incrementally enabling feedback between sprints. In Distributed Scrum, team members work across different locations but follow Scrum principles. It relies heavily on communication tools and overlapping work hours. So some of those challenges could be time zone differences, and a solution is overlapping hours for key meetings. And another challenge is communication barriers. So a way to solve this is video calls and documentation tools. A real-world example is a multinational corporation like Amazon may use Distributed Scrum for its global teams working on AWS feature updates. Agile and Plan-Based Factors. Certain factors will determine whether a project is better suited for Agile or Plan-Based methodologies. Some factors favoring Agile is rapidly changing requirements, close customer collaboration, and smaller cross-functional teams. Factors favoring Plan-Based are stable and well-defined requirements and large teams or strictly regulatory constraints. A real-world example is Agile could be used for a mobile gaming where user feedback drives updates. In contrast, Plan-based development might best be suited for a government tax processing system. IBM's Agility at Scale model addresses the complexities of adopting Agile in large organizations, ensuring alignment across teams while maintaining flexibility. Some key elements is scaling Agile beyond small teams, governance and compliance integration, and coordinating distributed teams. A real-world example is IBM itself uses this model for large-scale software development projects such as enterprise solutions for global clients. Developing large systems introduce challenges like integration, scalability, and regulatory compliance. Some of the factors to consider is communication between multiple teams, managing interdependencies, and ensuring reliability and performance. A real-world example is building an intelligent traffic management system involves multiple teams working on sensors, AI algorithms, and user interfaces requiring careful coordination. And that's it for today's deep dive into Agile processes and methodologies. Whether it's Scrum, extreme programming, or IBM's Agility at Scale, each approach offers unique ways to tackle software development and challenges. Which Agile process resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful tech content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.